this is Silveria from Indian Trails Library branch. Welcome to our Family Craft Fridays. Today's project is a basket weaving craft. On your bag of materials, you're gonna find two bundles of raffia. One is long, one is short. You're gonna find a template of cardstock and some flowers for decoration. We're gonna start from pulling out the cardboard stack from the holes. You can just pop in those out, and then we're gonna fold the arms all the way from the base to make like a basket shape. Our next step is we're gonna attach the start of the raffia in our template. Once you attach the raffia to the inside of one of the arms, now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna start waving the raffia in and out of the arms to start getting shape of our basket. And I just keep alternating in and out of the raffia until you run out of the raffia. While you're waving the raffia through the arms, try to keep it tight, and that way you don't lose shape of your basket. When you get to the end of the raffia, you can just tuck it inside of the weaving, or you can secure it with a piece of tape it to the template. Our next step is we're gonna lace the shorter raffia through the holes on the basket. To help you do that, we add a piece of pipe cleaner. Doing your first round, now you can go the second round doing it the opposite direction, and that way you get it like cross sewing on your basket. Once you finish the second round, you can always cut it over here and secure it to the basket, or you can do another round until you run out of your raffia. Now we're gonna attach the flowers to the basket to decorate it. And for that, you just have to peel the little sticker and they stick by itself. I hope you enjoyed the program today. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.